Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset default settings to Nokia Smart TV. And to do this we'll need to click on the home button on our remote, then move up using a joystick so you can find the settings, and right here scroll all the way down to device preferences. Now we can scroll down again and find a reset button, click on it, then confirm that you want to reset. It will remove basically everything from your device, all downloaded apps, settings will be gone, and reset to default. So let's do that. Erase everything. And your TV might restart multiple times during this process. Make sure that it's connected to the power, otherwise it might break. And reset is finished. Now we can begin the setup, so I can help you with that as well. First is to pick a different language for your TV. So you can scroll down and choose whichever language you like. Next is to pick the country, and you can't change it later, so be sure to pick the one that you want to use. We can continue with initial setup. And okay, so right here we can connect our remote so that we can use assistant and that all of the buttons should work properly. So to do that we'll need to press pair your remote. Press back key to exit accessory adding, but we're gonna go with source button, and it's located right here on the remote. I think it's this one. There's also source button right here. It's a bit confusing. So let's click on this button right here and hold it for 5 to 15 seconds. So it just showed up in the top right corner of the screen, and we can pair it. Quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. So I don't have my phone ready, I'm gonna skip it. If you want, you can continue with that, and that way you'll be able to set up your TV using your Android smartphone. Now we can connect our TV with Wi-Fi network. And by the way, if this music does annoy you, you can click on the mute button, I think, to mute the music. Okay, it works, so we can mute the music if you like. But anyway, also there's this update that is happening right now. If your device does need it, then it will download using your Wi-Fi network, and let's try to wait through it. So it seems there's a problem with downloading this update. I'm gonna go to network settings and change the Wi-Fi network and see if this fixes it. Okay, so now I guess it works fine, because we can actually see the progress in the download right there. So let's wait anyway. Okay, let's go to network settings again, because I'm not sure why this does not work, but we're gonna go for 5G network now. So it seems that changing the network actually helped with the update. So if you're facing the same issue, just try to disconnect from your current network, maybe reconnecting to the same one, or that could be also issue with 5G networks, because I connected to 5G network and it worked fine. Now it's installing the update, and I think we'll be finished with the setup afterwards. Okay, so I guess after the update everything restored again, so we can basically restart the setup. So pick a language, your region, we need to pair our remote yet again, so click on the source button and hold it for 5 to 15 seconds. Select it in the top right corner of the screen and click on OK. We can make most of our TV by signing into Google account. I'm gonna skip it, but you can do it if you like. Accept terms and services. You can read through them also. There's a location that we can activate or not. Let's do it. We can help to improve Android with sharing our data with them. Yeah, let's do that. Why not? And here's a walkthrough, I think. Yep, so you can read through the features that this Android TV have available, so you can cast your TV and etc. We can select the TV mode between home and store, and I'll be using it in the home, so I'm gonna go with this one. Chromecast built-in, always available. Let's do it. And do we want to continue? Yes. We can change it tuner mode between satellite, cable or aerial, and if this works when you want to detect the channels available for your TV. And I don't have any antenna, cable or satellite connected, so I'm gonna go with whichever one. And I'm gonna skip the scan. You can scan if you like, but I'm not watching cable TV, so whatever. Diagnostics, let's accept. And now I think the setup is finished. Yep, the setup is finished and you can begin using your TV. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.